Final video to fix quick hack not working in Cyberpunk 2.0. And if your abilities don't trigger, let me ask you, are you trying to use quick hacks but they fail or don't activate in combat? This problem usually happens because game files are corrupted, controller or keyboard inputs conflict, or recent updates break the hacking system. Sometimes mods or settings also trigger this issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated file edits risky. Mod removals or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't solve the problem. But on Rexus, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of guessing settings blindly, we fix the exact input and system path that controls quick hacks. This works because it restores proper game functionality without affecting your saves. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups once you apply it. Quick hacks work normally. Abilities trigger correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexus shares smart, stress-free solutions. If quick hack not working is ruining your gameplay, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.